Hey guys, Eric here with Memphis Wood Fire Grills. Today we're going to show you how to replace a logic board on a Memphis ITC 3. Let's go check it out. The first thing that we're going to do is disconnect the power cord from an outlet. So once we've done that, one thing to point out on the logic board is all of the outputs are labeled. It might be hard to see in the video, but you can see this is where you're going to have the igniter, the blower, the auger motor, the power supply connection. All of that's labeled on the back side of what we call the logic board. So from the back side of the grill, we're going to remove the two stainless steel screws to release the back panel. We're going to lift up and pull off the back panel like so. So now that we remove the back panel, I'll have my replacement logic board in reference to the existing one. And one helpful thing I like to do is simply just take a picture of the wires on the logic board in terms of their orientation. The easiest thing to do is to replace one wire for one. So now that you have all of the wires replaced on the new logic board, we just simply have to remount the logic board to the back of the grill. From here, all you have to do is replace the back panel and get back to cooking.